Guys, welcome back to Pentester Cloud. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge name called a sandwich. So, what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So, the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. So, this CTF is like very hard level, so we would like to try it in easy mode. So, first of all, just open the terminal. So, first we just type here sudo su and enter your password. So, we have identified our VM here. Then later we just type here as nmap -34 -a as an aggressor scan and enter our target IP address. So, where we have got here all these things. Like one is available with SH, another one is available with port 80, it's with Apache server. Once you look here, HTTP title with sandwich with NYX. So let's we would like to put here as nano with etc hostess. Come back here. Enter your target IP address 192.168.18.174. You just put here as sandwich dot NYX. That's it. Control O, Control X. Let's we would like to walk to here 192.168.18.174, where you can see a sandwich. Design your perfect sandwich. So it's like a pizza center. That's it. How you would like to design and try to exploit this one. We would like to try here as a user's white, a whole white. So please log in to register or save your credentials. Okay. We would like to do that one. Quite interesting. Let's if you would like to start. So there is nothing else apart from here. We would like to look the pesos. In the pesos, this is quite interesting. Fill with the M10, M10, M10. So here is quite interesting. There are home auth.sessions to users, fingerprint, about, and everything. So where we have got here on JavaScript, it's quite interesting.
I need to
This
ask.
JavaScript.
Okay.
Now we would like to go back here as come back.
I'll let you know.
Sandwich.nyx. Now, where we have got it here. So we have login, register, forget password. Now, let's, we have this one. Now, we have everything we have added here. Now, we would like to come back here. Let's open the new tab. Let's come back. So I have created here as directory. Let me just type here as clear. Now, I would like to open in the new tab.
Okay. Okay.
I would like to go with the snito -h http sandwich dot nyx. Remove some histories because this CDF is too hard.
Send me the
Let me
voice
just type here
messages.
as clear. Now let's come back. Now we would like to utilize here as gobuster. Now we would like to try to find any type of so first of all, we would like to utilize here as gobuster directory -u. Then http. I would like to put here as sandwich dot nyx. Then let me just put here as word list is user share word list. Then you utilize here directory buster. Then you just utilize here as directory list 2.3 medium.txt -x. I would like to get a PHP dot there. What you want to get it from here? TXT files. That's it. Now, gobuster. Oh, sorry. I would like to utilize here as directories. I would like to find here as directories. Let it go for as directories first. Now, before it go for as directories, now I would like to utilize here. Let me come back here. Where is this? You can utilize as gobuster -help. So I would like to try to find a virtual hostess or to enumerate a virtual hostess of the targeted machine. Now I would like to utilize here as gobuster virtual host. Then you can utilize the targeted domain here is uh, sandwich.nyx. Now, what list is, oh, sorry, I can copy this. Uh, Now let me just paste it. Now, I have a subdomains list in the same directory. I would like to get it from the checklist from the sublisters. Now, I would like to put here minus t is 30, append domain. That's it. I have find here automatically a webmail with a sandwich.nyx. Quite interesting here. Let's come back. You would like to go here, come back, paste it, Control O, Control X. Now let's come back. Let me. I would like to utilize, what is this? I would like to try to visit this targeted domain. I would like to visit the targeted subdomain. It's also a same thing. We just need to create some type of usernames or passwords. We would like to look here, usernames. You need to create with the same things. Okay, so to identify this one as a usernames, so let's, we would like to search now with this. Now, I would like to go with us now with the subdomain. Let me I would like to go back here. So it was identified everything clear. Let me just type it as clear. Now we would like to go back here entirely. You just copy, come back. Let's just paste it here. Now you just need to try here as with the webmail dot. Oh, sorry, I have made a mistake. Now, it's also a same thing. There is no any difference. You can get it from here. So, let it be this one. So, when you come for a manual enumeration, now, let's, we need to find the right user name. So, for that, we would like to utilize here. Let's come back here. Now, so where it have a sandwich with subdomain. So it's all a same thing. Rest password.php. That's quite interesting here. Now we would like to put the users. Okay, what is the main users we have in the targeted website? Let me just type it as clear. Now we would like to use a puff minus u. Then we just utilize here as sandwich.nyx. Now, I would like to utilize as minus post minus d. I want to identify the email. Email equal to, I would like to know right now, foods at the rate sandwich.nyx, and we just utilize here as a password equal to any password. Even if we get the wrong thing, you don't care. Okay, and login action equal to 1. That's it. Now we just put here as minus h. I would like to put here as a content type application x www for URL encoded. Then you would like to specify the word list. Like I have get the word list like user.txt files. Then if I would like to get as a incorrect passwords, incorrect password. That's it. Now let's try here. So within its part, I have got it. The what username is there as a admin. Let me just come back here. We would like to paste it here with the sandwich.nyx. I just try here as a admin. It shows a invalid credentials here. So we have identified the right username. So our time is now to create the account as in this case. Now let's in this case also we would like to try to create either in a sandwich and sandwich too. So we would like to create in a web mail with the sandwich.nyx. So we just create in the subdomain username user1 at the rate. So let me just come back. User1 at the rate sandwich. Now I just put here as user1 at the rate sandwich nyx. I try to create a successfully created. Now we just try here as user1 at the rate sandwich.nyx. Password is user1. You have created here. Now you want to compose a email, you can compose here. Like just try to wait, let me we would like to go back here. Let me just log out. Now let me just try to create here. I would like to try here as user2. Then I just put here as user2. Then you have logged in here successfully. Just put here as user2 at the rate sandwich.nyx user2. Quite interesting. Now let me I just log out here. Just put here as user1 at the rate sandwich.nyx. So I have made here a mistake. Now I'll log in here with the user1. Try to log in here. Now let me I can compose a message to user2 at the rate sandwich.nyx subject. Hello viewers. Hello Pentester Club. Viewers. I would like to write some message. Keep smiling. That's it. Let me just try. Click try to send. A message successfully sent to user2 with a sandwich nyx. Let's come back here. Now let me. I would like to log out here. You can try here as user2 at the rate sandwich.nyx. Now let's come back here. User2. So where you can see here, hello Pentester Club viewers, keep smiling. Date and time. Hello viewers. Okay. Where we have got this. So quite interesting. So now I would like to make a curl request to make it as a password reset of user1 or user2. Let me. I can do this now. Let's we would like to utilize this. Now let me I would like to utilize this. Let me just come back here where in this case let me just type here as clear. Now you just write here as curl minus x post. Now you just need to write here as a http sandbox. Oh, sorry, sandwich.nyx. Now, where you need to go here as a index.php. That's it. Minus d. You need to mention here is a email equal to user1 at the rate sandwich.nyx minus d is what you need to mention here is reset action equal to 1. That's it. Now you just control take everything this one, just copy. Now just paste this. I would like to change here as admin. So we need to crack the administration privilege access of user 1 or user 2. Let's come back here, user 2. That's it. Now we can get a call request of everything as post. Now everything we can see here, all these things, where we have seen this, all these things. So let's come back here. I would like to try to log out here. We would like to log into user 1 at the rate sandwich.nyx. Now password is user 1, but I didn't get any useful information. So it may take a lengthy time process to get here, as if you got here a request or reset login. So we would like to wait here, like me. We would like to look here as a user 2 at the rate sandwich.nyx. Now we just try here as user 2. Now from user 1 only I have got it here. Now I would like to try with this clearly. Let me. Now let me. I would like to try here. We try with the curl option, but it's not going to be work out. Now, how? I would like to try here. If the curl is not going to be work out, we would like to try in different case scenarios. So, in this case, a curl is not going to be work out. We would like to try. So this is as a user 2. Okay, I just log out here. Let me just come back here. Let me just type here as clear. You just type here as cat ax dot python. Oh, sorry. Let me just type here as clear cd sandwich cat x dot python. So I have here a session ID is on everything. So I have created with the user 1 with the sandwich.nyx with a session. All this clear. Now let me just come back here. I would like to try to log in here to a user 1 at the rate sandwich.nyx. Now let's log in with as user 1. I didn't get anything. So let me just inspect the elements. Let's go to here your storage. So this is your session ID. Just copy this session ID. Come back.
Okay.
Let me just type it as clear. Just clear as nano. x.python.
No.
Let's come back here.
Okay,
so it's a simple coding in Python to do the session hijacking. Let me just paste this.
But how we know that he will send?
Control O, Control X. Let me just type it as clear. Now you just try as simple way. You just type here as a Python 3 x.python. So where you have done now, where you have sent a request. Let me just
transfer to someone.
try to a logout. You just try here as a user1 at the rate sandwich.nyx.
Said these 24 digits to make is expensive.
Then you try here as a user1.
After he not disappeared.
So your inbox
Okay, I
is
will collect
empty,
money.
even
Okay.
this. So how you would like to
collect
get
cash
here? So
or
here
USDT?
have somewhat a tricky thing. You need to try this
So
here.
first you take from him guarantee, then we will send him. We can send test, but then he must make payment for we sure. Okay.
So, but in our case, I didn't get the token ID here. Let me just empty this. You just type here as user2 at the rate sandwich.nyx. Now, just try here as user2. Here, only user2 is coming. Apart from there is nothing else, so just type here as user1 at the rate sandwich.nyx. User1. So, quite interesting here. So, in this case, I would like to utilize the Burp Suite to try to communicate here. So, otherwise, let it open this Burp Suite to create a similar like this, the same thing. I can also create here as, let me just paste it here. Oh, sorry. User1 at the rate sandwich.nyx. Let me just put here as user1. Let me just, so you can see here registration is successful. You want to make it as anything like main ingredients, cheese, lecher, a tomato, and ketchup. Like, let's you look here. This is how your sandwich look like. Sandwich grado. Okay, this is you done a user1. Let me just log out. Now let's just type here as user2 at the rate sandwich.nyx. Now let me just put here as a user2. That's it. Oh, why not? User2 at the rate sandwich.nyx. Now let me just no user found. Okay, sorry. I would like to try to register here. User2 at the rate sandwich.nyx. So here this does not display either like register or login. This is one drawback, and high security level website also. User2. So registration was successful, quite impressive. Then let's I would like to put here as let's put here as that's it. View a sandwich. Save this sandwich. Okay. Worldwide. Okay. Thank you. We would like to try to bypass this. Utilizing this, how? Now, let me just come back here. Where? You try here. Now, you not yet get it here. Now, the main thing is here. Let me just come back here. So in this case, let me just put here as your proxy. Interception is on. Let's come back. Use a Burp Suite. Come back. You just utilize here as user1 at the rate sandwich.nyx. That's it. Reset the password. where you can see a sandwich with nyx least action equal to 1. So what else we are doing? That's quite impressive, and you are getting here. Let's send to the repeater. In the repeater place, try to send this where you got 200, you have got everything. So where you have got the PHP session ID, if you go to login over there, and you can find the uh, over there this session ID where you have sent this. Now let me would like to look here. You just make it this disable this one. Now let me, you can come back here, this proxy, you just off this. Now try to refresh this, where you can see here I have got it here as a passwords and tokens. Here is quite an impressive way to get it here, our tokens. Now we have got it this one. Now I want to try it to the, let me just close this. Yes, I have got it with us a the website users. Now, this URL is there to form that via post, and since the token and the propose the password, if the token is valid, it changes the user password. If a token is invalid, the message will be invalid token appears. Now, if I try to utilize this token, I try to utilize to get to access the password. Now, I would like to utilize here this one. Let me just so I would like to utilize this one to make it my uh, password to restrict. Okay, now let me just come back here. Then let me just type list. So I have here as UUIDs. So just copy, just type here as UUIDs dot Python. So I just need to enter my UUIDs of password 8096, and from the beginning what else I have got it from here, I just need to enter here. That's it. From here, then we would like to change the password. So I have got what is this 02CA. Let me, I would like to try to come back here. So let me just utilize here as time for mid 11FO. It's quite interesting. Uh, then so 8069 09CA, there is no how. This one I would like to change over there, and this one and this one I would like to change or in that token. That's it over there. This one in the node we would like to utilize. So generator UUID ports. So utilizing this one, we would like to change this and this. So let me just open this your terminal right now. So you have two ways to do this one. So number one is you can bypass the login, and number two is you can change this automatically. Let me just type it as clear. Just type it as nano uuids.python. Let me just come back. Let me just copy and paste this. So it will generate the right. If you try with the user 2, you will get the user 2. If you try with the admin, that will try to crack with the admin also, the password. So better, we would like to try to go the right thing, I think so. So let it be this one without changing anything. Let me just try here as Control O, Control X, Control X. Now you can try here as a Python 3 uuids.python, where I have generated here with a large of quantities. Now you just type here as list minus lh uuids.txt, where I have with the 11 million almost all here. So I would like to utilize here as fuff minus u. Then you just put here as stp sandwich.nyx reset password.php. Then you would like to utilize here as same as post minus h for content type application x equal to www.form url encoded minus t. What we would like to looking here, the main thing here is a token equal to, you would like to try to fuzz the token and new password equal to, I would like to try to put as a Alex for everything, and confirm password equal to, I would like to put for here as a Alex. Then what list is uuids.txt. That's it. You just try here. So there is minus F20. So let me just type it as clear. Minus FS 420. We would like to try with this 220,000. If we can get this one, what else we have? The 3 users, that password is successfully changed to the Alex. Now we can directly access the privilege of the machine. So in this case is one. In another case, you can remove the session identity and you can change and put the wrist application, and we can set it out over there. We would like to try this one. If this is not going to be work out, we can try in another way. We would like to look this in this case. So we just need to wait here a little bit time, and we would like to continue here. So here it may take maximum 3 minutes to complete entire of this work. So for request it's taking 300 to 400 watts. We would like to look here what we can get here. If the data is accepted, we are ready to go here. And if it get a response status is 200, then we are ready to go further. In real-time case scenarios, if you see any type of targeted website, if you find the usernames Even you can change the password if you find the forget password utilizing this method. So it's quite interesting way how people can reset a real hackers. So real hackers can utilize their own technologies to reset the password without going to the client. They are using a web technologies to complete the task. So they don't depend like signaling on systems, otherwise sending a phishing mail, sending like etc. things. Here is quite a simple way to process this one. Let's if this is crack, it's okay. If this is not crack, we would like to try to go further way. We would like to look that one also. Yes, Andy. So, but here it's taking too long. But either we can get or we cannot get.
Okay,
Let's,
I eat three.
we need to try
heavy
it.
food.
What are you doing?
I doing YouTube only.
Oh, like eat all you
Let's we would like to look
Yes,
here.
Aunty.
So it's almost 100,000.
She says she will come one person, your person, and
So
then you
where
come on.
which was identified available usernames in the targeted website. Even if you try with a targeted domain
I
name
don't know. She
with
sought
X
$5,500.
echoes, then if you try to foods with
So how to complete?
with certain
today
of
we'll
word
complete
list here, then you can try to get it here. What else
Yes.
you like here? What else in the targeted website? You can find it automatically.
You also finish and we also finish.
Yes.
I have to pay when they come to exam.
When exam only?
Maybe next week.
You tell 20, 20 also pass, 30 also pass.
So if we take bigger than this, so we are huge request. So we would like to finish in less than 10 seconds. So it's take more than 5 minutes to 10 minutes. So we would like to wait for it. Mandate. So in this case, it not going to be, I hope so, it not going to be work out. Let me. We would like to try to here as so let's come back here. So in this case, we are not getting anything else here. So for the we would like to utilize here as a fake token for this. So let's
So it's also take a lot of time. With this, we would like to look here as mousepad uu ideas.python. Oh, sorry, ideas.txt. So where I have got this uuids.python. So it's have the right token, but if here it is changed, it's quite interesting. If this is not changed, uh, we have wasted much time. We would like to wait this, then we would like to look here. So it's almost all have now 100,000. We would like to wait for this. So it may take more than 10 minutes to process this. So when you try the normal way, if it is work out, you don't need to worry about again with the go to a burp suite or intercept or making something. You can change or log in directly from here with your targeted email admin with the password, your own password. What else you have put here? Otherwise, you just need to try here again with something else. Now, we would like to try here as one more thing. So now we would like to look here. In this case, we not yet get this one. So even you can try. If this is not going to be work out, we can try with this. Uh, let we can try as a one more method. Let it come this one first. Then we would like to look here as a list where we not have cat get token dot python. So with this also we cannot able to try to get start with x and y. So let me just write here as clear. Now let me just put here as cat dictionary.python. Now I would like to put here as for I in range. So what is the range? You have got it here. So you not to try for the admin place. Okay. We just try here only this one. So let's we would like to come back here in this place. I hope it not yet get anything else. Let's we would like to try here. So let's if this is not work out, let me, I would like to quit this for some reason. As now let me just type here as clear. Now I would like to try with as with the Burp Suite only. So it's a quite easy way to bypass everything. Now we would like to look here. So I hope we would like to try to get it. If this is not at process right now, then we would like to try to look with the direct with the Burp Suite bypass. We would like to try here. Let's just come back here. Now here is a admin at the rate sandwich.nyx. So we would like to try here as password is, I would like to put here as Alex, so it's incorrect password. So it's not yet changed here. Now, I would like to switch here to a Burp Suite. Burp Suite is on. Come back here. Proxy. Proxy is on. Now, we would like to try here as a user one at the rate sandwich.nyx. Quite interesting. User one. Now, I have here a quite interesting, remember me. Try to log in. Here, I have got it here. So the same thing here. I would like to set a repeater. In the repeater place, uh, we would like to have here, uh, we would like to utilize I would like to try to send this first. It's okay. We would like to look in the render. What? We can get it here. Design now. You have login successfully at user one. Now, I would like to utilize here as uh, remember me equal to. So let's just put here, copy this email, copy, paste, then try to send. It's coming. I can remove this a session ID here. Now user 1 at the rate nyx. Let me try to set. Uh, you have logged in successfully with the user 1. So now here is quite interesting here. Now I would like to try to uh, change the email admin. Try to send. Now, I would like to enter that cookie or session. Let me just go back here, inspect the elements, storage. So I would like to go and get back this. So let me just go. Here, I would like to change here as admin, then try to set here also admin, try to send okay. So I think we would like to put here, remember me, try incorrect password, user one, then try, you have login with the user one. So uh, now let's try this. No, I would like to close this as a cookie. Remember me as a admin. You have login only with the admin. So how I would like to bypass this? So I would like to try here as remember.me as a admin. Let me, I would like to try to set, you are logged into the user. So let, we would like to try here. So here we not yet get anything else. So how we would like to crack this one as a admin password. Now I would like to quit this. So when you come to here only, it will get a lot of miscommunication here. Let's just disable this, come back, let's just refresh. We can see you having a trouble. We would like to come back here. So the machine is went down. That's why here you get a trouble. So this is why you are not getting anything else. So let me just come back. Now let's go back. So where we have got it here. Now try to refresh. Now let's just try here as a user one at the rate sandwich.nyx. Then let's just try here as a user one. Try to log in. So where you have got this, the user credentials. Now you have got this all these things. Now if you utilize these three things, 406, otherwise d6 also, you can try to get it the password. So I would like to utilize again with the Burp Suite. Let me just utilize this Burp Suite. Come back here, start this. Reset. Let you just log out. Just try here as I forgot admin at the rate sandwich.nyx. Come back to Burp Suite, proxy, intercept all. Then try to reach the password. So here I have got now the quite simple way, length now. I would like to send to a repeater. In the repeater place, I would like to uh, try to add for the session. Then you just put here as remember me equal to the same thing. What else you have? Just copy, paste it, then try to set. Now here you have got it here as 200. Okay. So here I have got here a download the hello admin sandwich with nyx. So I have logged in here successfully. Now we have file here. So I would like to try to utilize this as a here. Just copy, come back. In this case, let me just put here, paste it. Then we just try to forward where hello admin. You'd like to download this one. Forward, forward, forward. I have downloaded this sandwiches.csv. So we tried with the FOF, it not work out. But we tried with the Burp Suite, it's work out. So you just need to find the right valid point here. So even the Dropbox have the same thing. Let me just make it as a little bit big. So we have email upgraded. So this is user 1 and user 2 is your credentials. So where you have this kind of credentials you would like to consider from here. I would like to close this. Now let's come back here. Now we have cracked these passwords and downloaded. Now let me just type it as clear. Let's remove user.txt. we would like to remove this one. Now come back here, cd, let's go for as downloads list, cat sandwiches.csv. okay, you would like to copy this all, come back, mousepad user.txt. So let me just make it as a little bit small, paste it. So you just need to note down all the usernames. Come back, paste it, copy, come back, paste it here. So we have wasted 10 minutes time because we would like to try. So until try, you get it. Then and only you can win. So without try, without making attempt, you can't able to achieve something. So you just need to try. Wasting time does not matter. If you're trying in the good part, it's quite good. So let's we would like to look here. Let me I just type it as clear. See, sandwich, quite interesting. Cat user.txt. I have a list of users right now. Now, once you have a list of users, now you have downloaded a list of users. Now, first of all, we would like to try to go here. So let me just type here as clear. I would like to put again -c -q. Then I would like to find here as webmail dot sandwich dot nyx. I would like to try in the login.php folder. I would like to identify it in this particular location. So if you want to try it in as a Instagram, you can write everything, what else you like. Okay, -d. You would like to try to foots at the rate sandwich.nyx and password equal to, you would like to try to foots the password also. Then you just try here as -h for, yeah, I would like to put here as a user agent Mozilla 5.0. What list is user.txt. Oh, sorry, I would like to off this. Let me just I would like to exit user.txt. And I would like to try to find the word list. So the word list is like, I would like to go and get the word list from the, let's disable this. What is this? Seclist. Let's go here. So I would like to put for the passwords. I would like to find the passwords. So even you can try with the Hydra also. I can show you in the two ways, with Hydra, with the WZ foods. Okay, passwords. We would like to go for as common credentials. 10k most commons.txt. You can download this. Let's just come back here. I would like to open the folder. Just cut this, come back. There is this in sandwich. Let me just paste it here. Let me just rename. Enter, I just copy. Let's just close this. Come back. Let's just paste here. So once you have done this, now you just try this. User warning fatal exceptions fuzz word. A number of payloads does not match. I think we have right. NOx password equal to a fuzz at the rate email. Okay. H equal to user agent Mozilla Firefox. Let me just SW. Let me just try with so let me just where sandwich with nyx login.php user.txt. Quite interesting, but where we have missed here. So I have entered the right thing, webmail. So I think webmail only right here as a webmail sandwich.nyx.login.php. Here is same thing. Quite interesting to get it. Then let's come back here. Here I noted mention to foods. What I am fuzzing here. I tried to fuzz here as a email. Okay. In this case, email equal to a foods. Now let me just type here as clear. So I better try to ask the ChatGPT for help. So sometimes you can get errors like this. It looks like you are trying using your foots attack. Corrected command. Okay, just copy. -C enables a colorized output and make it as early. User.txt wireless is HW. This should be user.txt. Clear? Let me just paste here. Now let's try. Whose words and numbers of payloads does not match. So I think does not match. Why? This is giving us a trouble. Okay, let me just try here. First, no, does not match. Let me just type here 10k most common password.txt. Let me just put here as mousepad with the 10k most common password. Here it's quite interesting. So when I try with the wg foods, it's not coming here. Now our try is hydra -f user.txt. Then password is 10k most password.txt. I would like to utilize here as webmail.sandwich.nyx. and then just put here as HTTP post for that let where you try to log in this one, login dot php email. Okay, I have made a mistake. I can sort it out that one. Let me just come back here. CD downloads. CD, let me just type it as clear. Cat sandwiches dot CD downloads cat sandwiches dot csv. So I just need to copy entirely this one, emails. Okay, now let me just type it as clear. Come back, cd nano emails.txt. Let you just press this, type Ctrl O, Ctrl X, just clear as mousepad. Email.txt. Now let me just close this from here to here entirely. Let me just close this. That's it here. Now in most cases, so I would like to utilize this. Come back, let me just type it as clear. Let me just paste this. In most cases, don't use only the users. So it asks the email.txt. Let's try this here. No such file or directory with the email.txt emails. Okay. Quit this. Okay, let's I would like to move this email.txt to sandwich. Okay, cd here as sandwich. Let me just type here as clear. And now let me just type here as clear. Now no such okay, email.txt. Try here. Now foods words are numbers of payloads does not match. It's the same error. HW59. Okay. So in this case, web.email email equal to foods, then password equal to foods. Try. No, foods words or numbers or payloads are not match. HW59. So here we are getting as error. Let me just utilize this Hydra. I would like to change here as email.txt. Then so sometimes you just need to try more harder and harder. Email equal to let's you can consider here as user password equal to, let's just cap with the pass. So we tried with that, it's not going to be work out. Just try here as invalid
Yeah, bro, Sunny. How you disappear like this?
Credentials are user not found.
Oh. Mm. Wednesday is
Once
ready. I'm
you
calling you since Wednesday to talk with that provider to purchase the gold.
64
Issue the SPLC.
we would like to try to crack this. So I would like to utilize the purpose. It's go for checking the data now. So it may take more lengthy time process also for cracking this one. We would like to wait here.
Yes.
Utilizing this with 10k most common passwords, we can find the password. Then we would like to
Because
achieve.
everything is ready.
We try to log in through webmail. Then we would like to try to log in through SSH. Then we would like to go
No,
for
no, no, no. He want to
enumeration
purchase the
here.
gold. That's it.
So
He don't want anything.
this
He will issue
is
for
also
the
take
right?
much time. We would like to wait for this.
You just
So
provide your
in
own,
our case,
this thing, he will provide you the draft and
we
everything.
tried
That's
with
it.
the
We go for that. Okay. Okay. Oh, why you are not in Ghana now?
uh, with the sandbox. We try to with the foods we
When
try
you
to
go
find,
to
but
Ghana,
we cannot able to find that one.
when you go to Ghana,
So if you want to
why
find
is staying
the
in
right,
Delhi now?
there is a 5 emails. Let's come back here. Let me just put here as cat email.txt. Uh, there is a
Because of
5 emails with this.
I not understand.
We would like to try normal one by one. That's it. Then
stay in
only you can
Asara,
get it
right?
here. Let's go back. So with this, we prefer not to say how much time
I
it
don't
will
know
take.
what you're telling
Now
us.
let me.
I
I would
asked
like
you
to
why you are not
try
in
with
Accra. Why you what
one
are
or
you
one.
doing in Benin?
So even you can utilize the cookie and everything. Then we can get it here also. Then let's this is taking much time. Let's we would like to try this also.
I not understand. Okay, anyhow, I will call you uh, Monday. I call you Monday.
So how long it may going to take? With this, so we would like to utilize also to crack. So you just need to crack the email passwords. We would like to work this. Come back. So it's try to take much time. I would like to try here as a for
minus u. So let entirely just take it here. Quite interesting. Email is, I would like to put here is, so let's just utilize this email, just copy. So I would like to write here as Mathy GD X at the rate sandwich. Now I would like to try to enter the password. Use passwords. Let's just come back. Let's 10k common passwords. Let me just come back here. So if you utilize with this 10k password word list, I think we even crack these passwords. I don't know what time it will take. Progress status is 0. Duration is, I think we not yet put incorrect matcher rejects XP. So we not yet put the right thing here. Let me just put here as, we would like to utilize here as buff minus u. HTTP. We would like to utilize here now a webmail. So I think which one I would like to utilize here. So the SSH, I utilize the webmail. Okay, it's quite interesting. Webmail dot in this case, let's wz puff. So let's we would like to utilize in this case wz puts minus c minus u http. Let me, I would like to utilize here as http webmail dot sandbox dot nyx. Then just put here as a login dot php. That's it. Then you can go here minus d. Here is email equal to puts at the rate sandbox dot nyx. Oh, sorry, I would like to make a mistake here. Sandwich. So we would like to look here as sandwich. So I have given here a correct way. So sandwich.nyx, sandwich.nyx, and password equal to puts. Then apart from here, let's just put here as minus h. Let's just put here as a user agent Mozilla 5.0. Then let me just put here as word list is email.txt. Then again I would like to present here as what is this? 10k most common passwords. That's it here. Puts words a number of payloads does not match. So this is the problem with this. To go here,
So here, if we would like to get here something with us inbox.php, it's quite interesting way. We would like to go here. So it may take another 7 minutes or 8 minutes to crack this password also. We would like to wait for this. So when you come to any type of targeted website, you can include with a HTTP or HTTPS, does not matter. HTTP post form where you go for login.php, email equal to user, password equal to password invalid. So you present the email and passwords quite easily. That's clear. Then it will automatically process their work. Once this is completed, you will be alerted here. So it may take more and lengthy time process also here. So it's going to take more lengthy time process. So I don't like to quit this as a Hydra. Now I would like to try as another way. If you try with the same thing as a email.txt, then if you try with the same things, but it's not going to be work out here. Whose words or numbers or payloads or does not match. So you can see here as exactly I have got the password after the long struggles. So you just need to maintain this one very clearly. It's work, but sometimes it's not going to be work out. So uh, we have got the password, just copy, come back. So let's just close this. I would like to try to log out. So you have got the password for login. Now, oh sorry, this is the uh, username. Paste here, come back. So you can get the passwords like this of any type of targeted website. So, but you just need to try more harder. So where admin at the rate sandwich.nyx SSH user and password. So we have the SSH user ID and password where he was given here. You can look here. He was admin is message right now. Matthew got XY and the password is this one. So he sent a quite interesting way. Now we would like to try to log into the SSH. Come back. So let it that will be scroll SSH
paste this, enter our target IP address 192.168.174. Just type yes, and the password is this one. Just copy, come back, let's just paste here. That's it. We would like to log in right now. So we have successfully logged in now. So you just type ID. We have got it here as mathgdxy plus minus l. We have got it here cat a user.txt. We have find the user flag. So this is hard mission, but we have cracking very easily now. But it's take time consumptions. So let's we would like to look here as sudo minus l. It's like chvt. So what is this chvt? So let me just type here as clear. You just type a w, which is running with the connected with the 192.168.122. My targeted IP address is still cracking the everything here. Now we would like to try to crack this password. Now let's we would like to look here. So I would like to look here as ls minus l in the home directory. So we would like to type here as pwd. We are in the, I would like to go to here as a home directory, ls minus l, cd ll 104 567. Permission is denied. So how I would like to LL10445. So let me in this case we would like to try here. If we would like to try to execute, let me just try here as sudo minus f bin with the chvt. Then let's come back. Then we would like to look here. So in a Linux system, there is like a virtual console. It is a mechanism that allows a multiple users or task access the system at the same time. Each virtual console is a separate terminal session which is a different commands. So we would like to look here. We would like to try to find a way for this. Let me just type here as clear pwd plus minus l. Now I just put here as plus minus l. So where we can see here there is we find see like affiliations with LL 40104 and Mathy GYD XYZ. So we would like to discover like a TT20 to try to exploit it. Let me just type it as clear. You would like to try to find. Let me just try here as a user LL104567. 2 is greater than
dev are null. Now let's put here as grep minus pv. Then let's put here as proc as system. Let's try this. What's the results we can get here? User with the 101. Then dev with a T20. So it's quite interesting way. Now let me. I would like to try here as how I would like to try here. So let me. I would like to put here as sudo. Let me. I would like to put minus L sudo. Just put here as bin chvt as 20. It was done. Now on the machine of physical screen of entity, we would like to look here in the where I have appeared here as before here as a sandwich. Before now you can look here ll1044567 at the rate sandwich. Now at this point we can install the SSH key for the user to access from our own terminal to continue here. Now we would like to escalate this, come back. So how we would like to escalate this one right now? So in this way, let me just come back here. Let me just write here as clear. You just put here as netcat minus. So I think we would like to try to log in with the same user. Then and only we can try to get it here. Let me just come back here. Where is this? In this case, so just copy, come back here. Just put here as sh, paste it, add our targeted IP address 192.168.18.174. Then let's come back here. The password is copy, come back, paste it. Now, in one case scenario, I just put here as netcat minus lvnp 1234. Now, then I would like to try to run this as a abo command. Now you would like to look here. Here need to so it was displaying my targeted IP address. It need to be a login into my targeted IP address. So if this is not login into our targeted IP address, how we can get here? Let me. In this case, we are not getting here as a reverse shell. Otherwise, it's not even connecting here. So it's a very hard way to try to do this here. Okay, I just put here as netcat minus lvnp 1234. That's quite interesting now here. Now we would like to go back here. Now you just enter in your machine netcat now minus c uh, so I would like to enter in the Kali Linux machine only. Let me netcat minus c as such 192.168.18. My Kali Linux IP address is 122 and port is 1234. That's it. Now let me entirely I can get this. Now we would like to go back here. So it was rebooting. So let it reboot. Then we would like to go further. Now just copy, come back. Let's just copy this one, come back here. Let's just paste it where we have got it here. Now let me just type here as clear. You just put here as netcat minus lvnp. So you just put here as sudo minus l. You just put here as sudo bin chvt 20, where you can look here in the sandwich we have come here as llv. So another user just put here as netcat minus lvnp 1234. Quite interesting. Now let's come back here. Netcat minus so here we know how to write a TT shell here. How we would like to enter in this case as a TT shell. Otherwise I just come back here. Let me just put this, come back. Let me just put here as netcat minus lvnp 1234. Then let's just try this. Here I not it connected here. So how we would like to try here. If we would like to go here as everything, let me just put here as come back sudo minus l. No, it's not giving the right thing here. Sudo minus l, no. So this keyboard the system is corrupted. It's not printing the right way. This Linux, how the developer he was made, we prefer not to understand this one. So even he need to give one or one option to execute this one. So he not yet provided this one. This is the main drawback to get the root access for us. So we would like to look here as now. We would like to look here as list pwd list minus l with this list. It's not printing anything else here for us. So it's a very hard way to complete this mission. Now we would like to go back here. In this case, we just try. So now we just try here as Matthew with the users. We have here as a users. Now what we would like to try to get here. Good. So in our virtual machine also we have got this. So how we would like to exploit this right now. So this is tell me for I can't really hear you. Congo and Ghana. How far is Congo from the Uganda? Oh, like Goa to Mumbai. It's other state or same state? Other country. Other country. The same like you go to Goa to Mumbai, okay. Your place. That much far. So we have got it here until, but we. My person will go there. He can buy it from there. Not possible now. You can test, no problem. Everything okay, you can pay. Sorry. You can test, okay, everything so, okay, you can pay. We would like to try here a netcat. Let me just try here as a netcat. So I have got it now. So quite interesting now. I would like to come back here as netcat minus lvnp 1234. That's it. Now, so you need to understand this machine coder. He mix up all the keyboards. So you need to be very sharp for doing this targeted machine. Minus c sh enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.122. Then just put here as 1234. That's it. Now let's, you can look here. I hope you can get it here. It will connect from
Kampala also you need to export, right?
your once this is get connected, you try to connect it here automatically. Netcat minus LVNP 1234.
I'll let you know, bro. Definitely by Monday. Okay, but my choice is only SPLC. You don't need to take too much headache with all this nonsense. You throw the SPLC.
I think in this case it not yet connected.
We can negotiate 68,000.
Netcat minus SH. So let
If
me
you go
just
there,
netcat
whatever
minus
you want. That's
this
it.
is
In
C
Kampala, really
SH
don't have. Okay.
enter your targeted IP address 1234. So let you can
Yes,
get
you
your
need to pay for
config
the government 200 million.
122.
Okay, they will allow
Let's
you to
let
find
me,
the whole
I would like to
export.
try to test in this.
That's their.
I hope we need to get a connection here.
Not shame. You need to make it everything clear before you do something. You need to ask some people. Okay.
Now let me
Listen,
just
listen carefully first.
quit
What I
here.
say. If any
So
person is in the
some
growing
cases
phase,
we
okay,
just
he
need to
need to
try a
ask
multiple times.
everything clear, then he need to do it. He wanted me go here and there, and he put whichever
No,
table
it not
administration.
even working out this one.
Can you buy from Cambodia? I will bring you here Cambodia. Can you buy?
So
Okay,
Eva,
no
we
problem.
not yet
Just
get
come to
here
here, test
as
by yourself,
anything else from
write
here.
it, everything
Let's
clear, check purity,
we would like to
guarantee
look
everything. Take and go. That's it.
apart from
No more
here,
procedures.
but we not yet get anything else.
Customs. Okay, that that I will
So
cover you.
how we
Don't
can
worry.
perform this one?
Otherwise, I will keep in the
So
bank and I will
we try
shift by
more
bank to bank. Is that
harder
okay?
for this.
Oh, I will put in the bank. That Kampala is not good, bro, to be honest. That Kampala is not good, to be honest.
So in this case, let me just quit this. You just try here as sudo minus f. Quit. Just type here as
Okay,
sudo
I'm ready.
minus f.
Relax.
So
That is
here I have here as a game.sh. So while I would like to go over there to get a reversal, it's quite impossible to get it here as a reversal. So even let me, I can try as some other reversal. Let me just quit here. come back, get here, go to here as Pentest monkey. Let's go to here as a Pentest monkey. So let me would like to try to get as a reversion cheat sheet, reversal cheat sheet. I would like to look here as a netcat minus e bin as such. So I would like to try as one more time. Let's come back. In this case, look, netcat minus lvnp 1234 netcat. So what is this here? I would like to utilize so let's copy first here netcat minus e bin or sh with the targeted IP address. Okay, let's come back netcat minus e so finding this one, it's quite difficult way here also. So it's very hard. Yes, what we would like to go and get it here, bin or sh bin or sh enter our targeted IP address 192.168.18.122.1234. That's it. Now you can look here in the terminal. You not yet get here the bash. It not yet connected for you. So it's very hard to get this one. To get connected here. So this machine is quite very hard way. Let me just put here. Now we have this a game script. Now you just type here as pwd, where in the pwd cd as opt bash cd, no existence here. So this is quite a difficult way to get here. So if here it's already available, let me just put here as, let me just close this, let me just type here as clear plus minus air cd plus minus air cd ll104567 su ll104567 contrasina. So we don't know the password. So how we would like to crack this password? So let's we would like to try as chvt So let's once we go here as a game.txt, let's just put here as less minus air, then let's just put here as opt game.sh. So where we have here as game.sh. Now in this game.sh, now you just type here as bash with, I try to execute this opt, let me just put here game.sh. Hello. Uh, in this case, I can't able to obtain the reversion. I would like to run in the main thing only. It's ask. What is your name? I would like to put here as well, I'm thinking the number between 1 to 2000, 2 million. How you would like to guess? Try to guess. I would like to put like your guess is too high. Try to guess. Let me just put here as 500,000. Your guess is too high. So you just need to try here as compared to less than like this. 250, your guess is too high. Now, I would like to go for as 125,000. Your guess is too high. Now, 625 62500. Your guess is too high. 31250. Your guess is too high. Now, we would like to try here. 25,000. Your guess is too high. 17,000. Your guess is too high. So you need to guess. How should we can guess this one? We don't have, this machine is not connecting back to a reverse shell, or it's quite a very hard way. Now 1,400, like 14,000, your guess is too high. 13,900, guess is too high. 13,710, your guess is too high. 13,610. Oh, why like this? Let me just quit this. Let me just type it as clear. Now let's try to run. So to obtain a private key, we would like to try to guess here. Try to guess here. Your guess is too high. Your guess is too high. $250,000. Your guess is too high. So now how I would like to get here. So your guess is too high. 23759. Your guess is try to guess high. So how much is high? to get here. I would like to put here, we would like to try to get until we get this. Now, what is your name? A, okay, well, try to guess now. You have 21 attempts to guess. 32, 768, your guess is too high. 16, 384, your guess is too high. 24576, it's also not work out. 20480, your guess is too high. 22528, your guess is too high. 23552, 24052, no, it's not work out. 23808, it's not work out. 23680, it's not work out. 23774, no, 23774, your guess is too high. 23776, no. 23760, no. 23756, no. 23758, no. Then 23759, no. We're not getting here anything else. So if you guess the right thing, we can get the right code. So for that, how we would like to try to find in this case. So it's quite a difficulty way to understand also. So I have here as a script. Let me just type here as come back here. Let me come back into the sandwich. Let me just close this. Let me come back in this place. I would like to quit this. Now, let me just come back. So, you just type. Let me just close. List. Now, you just put here as Python 3. You just put here as a auto.python. Enter with 20,000 to 10,000. The request is high. I would like to utilize here no, it not work out. So let me. We would like to try here as so how we would like to try this one. Let me. We would like to come back here. So we have very difficulty way to crack uh, this one. Let me. We would like to go back here. Let me just try again with this bash. Just put here your name. Try to guess. 8280. Okay, it's not work out. 8295. It's not work out. 8287. It's not work out. 8290. It not work out. Now 8292. It's not work out. 8291. It's not even work out. So we can't able to get this one. So how we would like to try to get this? So it's quite difficulties way to get it here. So we would like to try as one more time. We just try. This one is not going to be work out at any cost. So where it will going to provide the private key for you. With this private key, you have 2 million times thinking like you just we can't able to put randomly here. Even this. Let me just put here as a Python 3 auto.python 2000. No, it's come with the error. Okay. So if you log in here, also it's let's just put here as cat dot bash history. Nothing else is existence. 9. Let's just put here as 9256. 10 to 45, 14 to 85, 18 to 95, 24 to let's just I try a random numbers. Let's just put no numbers I was thinking was 22080. Okay, he was put here. Okay, 22080. Okay, now very clear. 2280. Double two double 80. Your guess is too high. So you just need to play this game to get the activity here. Let's try what he was guessing. How we can guess with this. So it may take more time for cracking this also. 22366. So how we would like to identify it here in this game? Once we would like to look here. Now, I would like to type here as a clear. I would like to utilize here. Let me just come back here. I want to get the root privilege of this machine. So cat, now just put here as an nano a.sh. Now we just put here as awk, then minus va equal to $1 minus vb equal to $2. Then let's just go here as a begin. Let's go here as a print a plus b to, that's it here. Our required just control O, control X. Now we just put here as a bash a dot sh 12 65535 is 32768. Let me just put here as 32768. Oh, sorry, let me just quit here. Bash, what is your name? Let me just put here as Alex. 32768. Now let's just put here 16384. Your guess is wrong. 1892. Then later 4096. Your guess is too low. Now I just put here as 6144. Then 7168. Now put here as 7680. Your guess is too low. 7424. Your guess is too low. Then you just put here as 7552. Your guess is too low. Sorry. 7488. 7520. No. 7536. We not even get here.
గ్యారంటీగా అవుతుంది
7528. No. So better we can get here 7522. Your guess is too wrong. 7523. Your guess is too low. we would like to put here as 7500 757866 7821 8912
నేను ఓట్స్ చపాతి
8988 7542. The number I was thinking here is 1124 11229214. So it's take a more and lengthy time process for clearing this one. So it's take even more lengthy time process for clearing this CTF. Let me just type it as clear cat
సరే తిను కొద్దిగా ఫస్ట్
opt game.sh. So where you can look here a bin user with a print with the log.
పడుకోమని ఫుల్గా రెస్ట్ తీసుకోమని.
So if we would like to know how to guess this, we can know to guessing very easily. So it may take a more or lengthy time process. Let me we would like to know here as sandwich.
ఏమి ఏం అర్థం కాలే.
So we not yet get this one.
ఇంట్లో ఏం తింటే అదే తినుకొని అట్టే ఉంటాడు, పక్కలో ఉంటాడు కానీ బయటికి పోయి ఏమీ
Now even if you try from this, so we can try here as one more time. We would like to run this. Let me just put here guess what is the number 32768. Let me just 32768 32768. Your guess is too high. Okay, let me just go back here. 32768 to 49151 49151. Your guess is too high. So if it guess is too high, you need to come.
లేదు లేదు సోమవారం.
తొందరగా వచ్చేస్తారా చూడు.
సరే సరే.
బంగారు కూడా ఇప్పుడు అంత రేట్ 20,000 తగ్గిందంటప్ప. 5,000.
So here also it may take a lengthy time process here.
సరేనప్ప, ఏం మాట్లాడవు, ఫోన్ చేస్తావు, ఊరికనే ఉంటావు, మంచి కూడా కనపడవు.
అది ఏదో నేను వీడియో కాల్ ఎత్తినాను కూడా కనపడలే నాకు ఇది.
So I would like to go for here. I just type here as 10,000 is too low. 10,000 to 20,000 is too high. We would like to go for as put here as 15,000 too low. 17,000 too low. 18,000 is too high. Then 17,190 910 it's too high. 17,810 is too high. Let me just put here 17,000 to 20,000. I just put here as 17,500.
ఏమీ లేదు.
Your guess is too high.
ఇంకా 1 year ఉంది.
Here, let me just go back.
అది వచ్చిపోతాను మమ్మీ.
18750. 18750. Your guess is too high. 16,910. Your guess is too low. 17. 610. Your guess is too high. 17,540. Your guess is too high. 17. 400. Your guess is too low. 17,440. Okay. 17.
సరే
410. 17. 420. No. 17. 430. 17.
వచ్చి తీసుకుంటానుంటమ్మా.
35. 17. 4. 34. So the number I was thinking was 17,443. So it's this game, it's quite difficult way. Now what is the number? What is the, try to guess. What is the guess? You just try here. Let's just put here as 32768. 32768. Your guess is too high. Come back. Let me just type here as clear. Three two 768. 32768 40,000. 36384. Your guess is too high. Let's just put for 10,000. Your guess is too high. Okay, let me just put for 10,000 to 9,000. 9,500. 9,500. Your guess is too high. 9,600. Okay, 9,400. 9,300. 9,200. So 8,200. Okay, it's too low. 4,500. It's too small. 2,500. 2,500 to 4,500. So I try here 2,500 to 4,500. 3,500 here. If we would like to try here as 3,500, okay, it's too high. If it's too high, from there we would like to put here as 3,500. Let's just put here as 3,000. It's too high. 2,900. It's too high. 2,800. It's too low. Okay, let's come back. 2,800 to then 2,900 here. 2,900. we would like to look here. 2850. Okay, it's too high. 2850. 2825. Let's 2825. Okay, 2820. Too low. 2815. It's too high. 2810. No. 2805. So it was quite difficulty way. So anyhow, we can try until we get. Okay, I just put here as Alex. Now I'm thinking the number between 1 to I would like to go for as 10,000. So I just go with 100,000. I just type here as clear. Let's just put here as first as
Feroz is asking
100,000.
for a test.
Let me just
the
go and put
PCPL.
here a
And he
50,000.
will send to me 20,000.
Guess too high.
Then you return to
25,000.
Then I will send to you the
too high.
20,000.
12,500. Too low. Okay. Now from
Some hours ago he was available, but now I don't know. I will check.
12,500 to 25,000. 18,750. 18,750 is too high. Okay. From there, 18,750. 15625. 15625 is too low. Okay. 15625. 17187. 17187. 17187 is too high. 17187. 16404. Let's try. 16404. 16404. Too low. From low to 16404. Let's try. 16795. Too high.
ఇంటితో పాటు ఈశ్వర్కైనా
16795.
నా గుడిలో నౌకరు చేసుకుంటా నా గుడిలనే కన్నం పెడతారా అని నరసింహుడు
Let's
నారాజ్
try.
అయిపోయి
16955.
అవుట్ సోర్సింగ్ కాంట్రాక్ట్
It's
కొన్ని
too
చేస్తున్న
high.
మధు గణేష్ అనే ఇద్దరు పనిమంతులు అదుమరాత్రి వచ్చి గుడి వెనక పొంట వచ్చి గుట్టు సప్పుడు కాకుండా ప్రసాదాల తయారీ కేంద్రం నుంచి పప్పు
599. Let's 16501. Your guess is too low. Try to guess. Okay, again. It's low, right? Okay. Five zero one. 16550. 16550. So here you have guessed the right password, but it is permission is denied. How we can get the access here? So we trying a multiple ways to get it this, but our issue is to get only the reverse shell. So how we would like to try to get this with the net reverse shell?
My name is
So
Alaika.
to get this as a reverse shell,
ग्रैंडफादर दादा एक बात बोलते थे एवरी पुलिस ऑफिसर इज अ स्टार पापा स्टार तो बोलो स्टार बनेगी
so I have guessed this here as the game. Now let me just type here as clear.
मेरी बेटी आपसे मिलना चाहती है
Now
नाम
My
you
name
just
is
need to
Alaika.
अलाइका
put in this netcat minus lv
ग्रैंडफादर
np.
दादा
So let me
एक
just
बात बोलते
put
थे
here
Have you ever played those
netcat
fake
minus
games you see in the
lvnp
ads
1 2
where
3
you
4.
get +1?
Now let me just put here encounter. So how we would like to get here as a reward? It's quite a difficulty ways to get here as a let it restart this machine. So it may work very clearly, but when we can get this one. So where we have got this shell again, let me just quit it here. Let me just type it as clear. Now we would like to try to log in again. Come back inbox. Let's just copy. Come back. Where is this? Paste it. So we have got it here. Now let me just put here as sudo minus f. So how we would like to follow with this? So we just try here as who. We try as a who. Then let's just put here as user is available. So let me. We would like to put here as we try. I would like to sudo as chvt as 20. Then let's come back to a sandwich. Now when you come to a sandwich, let me, you just need to try. Here is stdy ra netcat minus lvp 7890. Let me, I would like to try. In this case, netcat minus c message. enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.122.7890. Okay, unknown host. Let me just type here as clear. So if I have get connected, so you just need to try until you get. You just type here as now ID. We are get here. You just type here as which Python. You not get here. Again, you just type here as which Python 3. You have got it here. You just type here as Python 3 minus C. Import pdy span bit bash. So where I have successfully got it here. Now just type ID. We have got it here. Now we just need to flow our shit again. The number. However, you are going to guess those numbers. So let me just type here as clear. Now what we would like to look here as list minus air. Now we would like to utilize here as clear cat auto.python. Oh, sorry. Python 3 auto.python. Let's we already find that one. Let me just look here as plus minus air. In this case, nothing else. Now we would like to try to get our root privilege. So for that, we have already cracked this one. Now we would like to try to utilize here as bash from opt, then game.sh. What is your name? Let's put here as Alex. Try to guess here as I just put for go for as try to guess from, let me just go for as 100,000. Let's again go for as 50,000, 25,000, 12,500, too high. Your guess is too high. Your guess is too high. 3,300. Okay. Now let me just utilize from here. Let me just come back this place. Utilize this. 3,302. What is the highest one? Is 7,500. 7,500. Enter your password. Okay. Python auto.python. So Python 2 auto.python clear. So why this error again? So I think cat auto.python. No, let me just type here as clear list. Which one? So let me just type here as a Python 3 auto.python. Now in this case it's not going to be work out. Let me just close this one, open new. So you just put here as cat Python 3 auto.python, enter your password. Yes, now we are getting here. Now I would like to bring back here. 3030 to 7500. Okay, yes, 7500 broke pipe. Let me just put here as 7500. So let me just put here as auto.python. I can copy this one, copy. So I would like to utilize the ChatGPT again. ChatGPT.com. Let me just paste this, correct my code. So I would like to correct my code. Your code looks like mostly a correct updated code. Let it write entirely. So it was written. I just copied, come back, just type it as clear, just clear as a mousepad, auto.python. Let me just paste in this. You just type save, close this, don't save, this one. Now you just try here as Python 3 auto.python. It's also a same error. Let me just utilize this. So we would like to utilize as another case. Let me just come back. Now come back here. Let's just close this. Let me just try clear. 7500. Oh, sorry. Let's close this. Okay. 3300 to 7500. So just copy. So we would like to ask this. It seems the game process is terminating unacceptably. So update the code with the better for debugging. So we need to play the lot more game with this. When you try to crack, you need to print very clearly. Let's just copy, come back, just put here as nano, just put here as a auto.python. Oh, sorry, cut this, put here as mousepad. I just paste it. Command not found. Okay, so it's maybe running entirely in this case scenario. So I don't want to continue with this because it's a time wasting. So I have forget this one, a.sh. So with this it's quite a difficulty way. Now just utilize here as bash a.sh, 3300 to 7500, 5400 here. Where is this? Let's come back here. 5400. Your trying is too high. 5400. 4350. 4350. It's also too high. 4350. 3825. Let's try 3825. Too low. Okay. let's just put here as 3825 4087 4087. It's too low here. 4087.
Yes, Reem?
Send me the wallet he will send test.
4087.
He was asking how much he offers
4218.
for digits.
Okay, I will ask him.
4218. It's too high. So in between 4218 we can get it here. 4152. 4152 is too low. 4152. 4185. 4185 is too low. Here is too low. 4201. 4201 is too low. 4201. 4209 is too low. 4213. 4213 is too high. 4212
Chepo.
is too high. 4210 is too low. 4211. Here is permission is denied. Why permission is denied here? So we are cracked this one, but permission is denied to access this. So we have get the reversal to read also. To get here, so let's just who am I? ID, we are in the right user ID, but it was permission is denied. How we would like to try to get it here? So we would like to try more harder way. We are trying as no give up. Let me pwd plus minus l sus root. It's asking the password. Plus minus l the root dot ssh permission is denied. So I think so where we have get connected here, we just try here as sudo minus l, where we have here as a game.sh. Now we would like to try here as again, we would like to try here as a cat to go and get it here as cat to get with this up with game.sh. Just copy, come back and paste it. Let me just go again. So until you get, keep trying. So you just type here Python 3 -c import as a pdy span bin bash, where you have got it here as ll3. Once you have get connected here as a ll3. Now what you would like to try here? So you would like to try to get let me, we have just type here as sudo -l, where we have got this. So just type here as sudo. It not work out here. Opt game.sh. We just need to run this. What is your name? We just try here as our name is Alex. Then try to guess. I would like to try to guess with the 10,000 too high. Okay, let's come back. 10,000. Oh, sorry, 10,000 is like, we would like to go for here as 5,000 is too low. Okay, come back. 5,000 to 10,000. We would like to go back here. 7,500 is too low. 7,500 to 8750. 8750 too low. Okay. 8750. 9375. 9375. 9375 is too high. Okay. 9375. 9062. 9062 too low. 9062. 9218. 9218 is too low. So 9218
is too high.
9296 is too low again. So we can try until we get it here. 96 9335. 9335 is too low. 9335. 9355. 9355 is too low again. 9355. 9365, we just try. 9365 is too low. 9370 is too low. 9374 is too low. 9375 is too low. 9375 10,000. 9687. 9687 is too high. 9687 9531, 9531 is too low. 9531, 9609, 9609 is too high. So this game is like quite 9570 is too low. So which one? 9570, 9589, 9589 is too low. 89, 9599, 9599 is too low again. Uh, 9604, 9604. No, the number I was thinking is 9606. Okay, let me just type it as clear. Now, just type it as sudo apt game.sh. Now, let's enter your name. Now, let me just type it as clear. Put here as 10,000. We would like to try here with 10,000. No, it's too high. 5,000 too low. Let's 5,000, 7,500. Just put 7,500. So what we get? Too low. 7,500, 8750, 8750, too high. So 8750, 8125, 8125, it's too high. 8125, 7812, 7812, it's too high. 7812, 7656, it's too high. 7656, 7578, 7578, it's too high again.
నేనేం చేయాలి చెప్పమని నీకు ఫోన్ చేయమని
7578, 7539,
నేను చేయలే వాడే చేసింది
it's too low. 7539, 7558. So 7558, it's too high again. With this 7558, 7548,
ఇంకలా
7548, too low.
ఏం పని లేదు ఈరోజు, అందుకే పడుకుందామని కొద్దిగా ముందుగా 12 గంటలకు
7553,
12 గంటలకు పండుకుందామని ప్లాన్
too high.
చేసుకున్నాను.
7553, I think 7550,
ఇస్తాను వచ్చినప్పుడు,
it's too low.
ఇస్తాను
7551. So at the final end, I have got the private key. So entirely just copy here. So solving this type of CTF quite difficulty way and much more harder way. Let me just nano id underscore rsf. Let me just paste this, type Ctrl O, Ctrl X. Now we would like to look here. So and finally I have received
ఒకసారి చేసే
7551. So this is my private key where I have
ఒకసారి
received this private key.
చేసుకునేకి బరువు అయినప్పుడు
Now,
వెళ్తాం మమ్మీ.
you can give your private key. We just put here as chmod 600 id underscore rsa. Great. Now just put here as sh root sh minus id underscore rsa root @enter your target IP address 192.168.18.174. So we have successfully came to our sandbox.
నెక్స్ట్ వారం వస్తాను
That's
కంపల్సరీగా.
Now we just type here as minus cd no cat
లేదు లేదు వస్తా
root.txt.
వస్తా.
So this is the root flag. So we have successfully completed this mission. That's it. So
Sorry.
you tried your own, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling. So every time your hard work is more important to achieve something better than you performed before.
కొద్ది
So
తగ్గించుకుంటా
always
పరిగెత్తుకుంటూ
play hard and work hard. That's it. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.
ఎంత తినుకొని ఇంట్లో కాలక్షేపం చేస్తాడు. ఏం లేదు పొద్దున్నే ఇంత పులిహోరే చెప్పాను కలిపి పెట్టుకుంటే మేము వచ్చేదంతా వాళ్ళకి పిచ్చి పెట్టుకుంటుంది. అందుకే సైకోపర ఆడేది వాళ్ళు.
సర్లేమ్మా ఉంటా. వచ్చి పోతాను బా నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ ఉండు. మనీ కలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని వచ్చి ఇంట్లో తీసిచ్చేసి నేను రిటర్న్ వెళ్ళిపోతాను. ఎందుకు రాదు మమ్మీ, వస్తుంది.